I just heard some commotion in the warehouse. I think something exciting is going on. Come with me. What? No way. Brother.
Rampage, baby! Oh, shit. Let's go!
We just got the 2 production samples of Rampages in. I can't believe it. I was expecting them today, but I was prepared to have my heart broken and not get them today. They're actually here.
I'm so excited.
Oh,
we need to open these up.
Oh, man. All right, so this is how they're gonna come to you. And if these boards are good to go, I'm gonna give them a full run over. You can watch that. I'm gonna greenlight production. So stay with me. Let's unbox these bad boys. This is it, it's here. This is my production Rampage. I got 2 of these in the mail. So we're gonna do a unboxing for you guys here today and show you what it looks like out the box. I got the GoPro overhead here for that overhead shot. Let's do it. Oh man, I can't tell you how excited I am for this, and that's what everybody who's made an order already, this is how you're gonna feel too. Let's get this show on the road. So this one was air shipped to me at great cost to kind of speed things up. And I'm gonna unbox it, and over the next day or 2, just absolutely put it through its paces. We got 2 of them. Make sure everything's exactly how we imagined it before we greenlight shipping of all the rest of the units. Oh yes. Ah, oh, beautiful. Here we go. I know it's upside down, big no-no. Let's go. Oh, baby. I'm stoked for this. You ready? Ooh, that's it, baby. Eric, what do you think?
Oh yeah, bro.
Eric just walked back here. Oh man, that looks good. Check that board out. Boom. Oh yes. Oh man, I'm stoked for this. Yeah, it's flexy. Whew. The board is 100% assembled out of the box, and I've got in here, in this box, I've got 2 extra belts in case I burn through those doing stupid stuff. Got the remote, got the T-tool to make adjustments, adjust the trucks, everything like that. I've got some extra Allen tools to adjust the belts. I've got the charger right here. Oh yeah. And a little charger for the remote. Let's turn this bad boy on. Woo! Look at that. And I'll turn the remote on, the board on too. Oh, it's on. Let's see if it's got juice or not. Woo! It does. All right, guys, that's it. This is the new Rampage. It is just beautiful. I am so stoked with how this production unit turned out. We got the laser etching on the trucks, on the base plate here. Just beautiful. Check this out. Man, right on the trucks there. Just nuts. All right, I'm gonna take this thing for a ride with the GoPro. Come with me, let's do it. Let's take this thing to the streets, and before you do, please get proper safety gear. That's gonna be different for everybody. Some people, you're gonna want a helmet, you're gonna want a full body suit, everything like that. I don't know who you are, pick the appropriate gear for you. I'm gonna start it in level 1, by the way. Let's zoom on out of here. All right, so level 1, just go full throttle right away. I'm at 14, 15 miles an hour right now in level 1. Just went over an 1.5 inch railing. No biggie. So that's about max on level 1, and keep in mind, I have not charged the battery yet, so that could be a big factor here. Let's go level 2. Level 2, here we go. That's a bit faster. 22 miles an hour here. We're just ripping. Here we go, a little divot. Oh yeah, the bamboo deck is really flexy and it just eats those bumps alive. Can't even feel them. That's level 2, let's do level 3 here. Woo, I'm excited. All right, I hope you guys are ready. And I'm gonna do it from a dead stop just so you can get a feel for the acceleration on a half full battery. Let's go, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, Jesus. This is like a roller coaster. Oh, geez, I'm going 28 miles an hour right now. Woo! This is just nuts. Woo, doggy. That is fast. Let's do some turns around this truck right here, if you can see it. Oh, look at that turning radius. That's the length of the truck, probably about 12, 13 feet, and I know I can go tighter. Let me do it around this point right here in the parking lot. Let's get it real tight. Ew! Look at that. Not bad, hey? Woo! Oh man, I'm stoked on life right now. That's the Rampage. Few other functions of the remote. If you want to go backwards, this switch right here, this is different from the Miles Dual, by the way, so this is only for the Rampage. Watch this. Now I'm going backwards and switch it back. Now I'm going forwards. Also the light button, now press it twice to activate the light. You can't really see it, it's so dim, but if you don't have lights and you were to ride at night, which I do not recommend by any means, you can point this light backwards for other cars to kind of see you. I do recommend if you're gonna ride at night at all, get some shred lights. All right guys, that's it for this Rampage unboxing. I can't tell you how stoked I am on this board right now. It's just absolutely nuts, super. I could cry right now, basically. I've got 2 of these production boards. We're gonna be ripping them around over the next couple days. Make sure everything is ready to go. So far, I haven't seen anything that I don't like about it, so I'm expecting to give that big thumbs up and green light to ship the production boards here to the US and ship them out to all the orders. If you've pre-ordered a Rampage board and you've been waiting on it, thank you so much for your patience while we get the details right on this. I know how hard it is to be waiting on something like this when you're so excited for it, and believe me, I feel the same way. So thanks again for your patience. It's gonna be well worth the wait. And one more thing, if you like this video, you like seeing the boards, bikes, everything we make, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out, guys.